3 hours later.
And guys, what's up guys? What's up? Ang ating menu for today is fried chicken a la Jollibee, guys. Alright. Ingredients ito, guys. Manok. Siyempre, manok. Itong breadcrumbs. Egg. At saka harina. Tapos halo-halo na to. Alright. Chicken breading. Alright. Ayan, guys. Yummy na naman ang araw ni RL Vlog. See you in cooking. And guys, piniprepare na, no? Ayan. Ilulubog muna sa itlog. Tapos sa chicken breading with harina and etc. At breadcrumbs, guys. Ayan. Alright. Ganyan guys. Simple lang lutuin to, guys. Pero masarap. Parang a la Jollibee. Alright. Tatalunin pa ni Chef Nichelle Legaspi ang KFC. Haha. Alright, guys. Ayan, no.
What? What the fuck?
Oh, diba? Ayan.
Sana all.
Ayan, guys, ang pag-prepare ng ating piprituhin. Ilulubog natin sa mantika yan, guys. Alright. Ganyan, guys. Alright. Ayan, itlog muna. Lubog sa itlog muna. Ayan. Tapos chicken breading with harina. And also, last but not least, chicken breading. Alright, guys. Ayan, no? O, diba, guys?
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Ayan. At nagpapainit na ako, guys, ng mantika. Ayan. Para swak na swak. Alright? Ayan, guys. Pagkatapos niyan, ilalagay na natin sa kumukulong mantika. Alright. O, diba? Ganyan lang. Ayan, no? Ganyan kasimple, guys, no? Simple siya, pero masarap. Diba? Ayan, malapit na matapos, guys, at ipiprito na natin yan. Okay, guys. Ayan na, guys, alright. Ayan na. Let's do cooking, alright. Ayan, pinrito na. Sa mild apoy lang, no? Para hindi mabigla. Ayan. Sige, chef, lagyan mo pa. Ayan, pwede pa, kasya pa. O, diba, guys? Sarap-sarap. May na-prepare na kaming gravy dyan, guys. Alright? Iinitin na lang mamaya yung gravy. Okay? Ayan guys, tinitingnan ni chef, no? Ayan guys, papantayin lang natin yung kulay na maging golden brown. Alright guys? Looks like yummy guys. Ayan oh guys, alright. Oh, diba guys? Ayan guys, nagiging crispy brown na guys. Ang sarap-sarap guys, alright. Ayan. O, diba? Akalain mo yan? Nakagawa si RL Vlog at saka si Chef Nichelle Legaspi ng chicken a la Jollibee. Alright? O, diba? Akalain mo yan, guys. Ayan na guys, ayan, dalawa na lang, ano, chicken legs, alright, chicken drumstick. Ayan, dalawa na lang ang niluluto guys, alright. Ginugutom na ako guys. Ayan. Susunod natin dyan guys, initin ko yung gravy, no? Para masarap ang kainan. Homemade gravy. Ayan, no? O, diba? Ayan. Chef, baliktarin mo na, chef. Dama overcook. Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng pagka-brown. Oh, diba? Golden brown, guys. Golden brown. Ayan, oh. Ayan na, guys. Finish na. Finish. Ayan. Ang sarap guys, oh. Yummy, yummy. O, diba? O, yan. Iinitin ko naman ngayon guys yung gravy natin, no? Alright. Ayan guys. Ayan na yung homemade namin na gravy guys, no? Wow, yummy, yummy. Ayan ang cooking style with RL Vlog with Chef Nichelle Legaspi, no? Ang sarap niyan guys, ang sarap ng gravy ng pagkagawa namin. Alright. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan ang gravy, oh. So very delicious, yummy, yummy. Halika na guys, let's eat guys. Kain na tayo guys, alright? See you on my next vlog, Cooking RL Vlog with Chef Nichelle Legaspi. Abangan nyo guys ang aming mga lulutuin pa guys. Salamat sa mga nanonood, alright? Tumatangkili kay RL Vlog channel. God bless us all. Kain na guys, tara na!
Oh my God! Wow!